What is it like to live in Birmingham? Birmingham has gained a reputation for being a vibrant city located in the heart of England. The city offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and a mix of people from different parts of the world. Additionally, Birmingham boasts great economic opportunities, making it a top choice for those seeking greener pastures in the UK and abroad. Recently, the city has been highlighted for its relatively affordable cost of living compared to other major UK cities. In this piece, we will delve into the full cost of living in Birmingham. Stay tuned. The indices used to measure the cost of living in Birmingham include housing costs, transportation expenses, healthcare, everyday expenses, and others. Let's delve into them one by one. Housing costs are a significant component of the overall cost of living. Examining the cost of living in Birmingham necessitates factoring in housing costs. In Birmingham, house rent is considerably cheaper compared to many cities in England and globally. For instance, renting a house in Birmingham is estimated to be about 50% cheaper than in the US. Furthermore, housing costs in Birmingham decreased slightly in the current year. The cost of renting a house ranges from £500 to £2,500 or more, depending on the number of rooms, location, and amenities. If you are considering living in the surrounding suburbs, rental prices are slightly lower, ranging from £500 to £1,200 per month compared to the city centre, where prices can be around £1,500 and above. If you are starting out in Birmingham on a low budget, it might be advisable to settle in the suburbs. You can choose to pay for house rent monthly or annually. Paying annually is generally cheaper but less flexible compared to paying monthly. Conversely, if you prefer to buy property, the average cost of a 3-bedroom house in a desirable neighbourhood ranges from £250,000 to £500,000, depending on the location. Transportation expenses are another key index for evaluating the cost of living. Birmingham boasts a well-connected public transportation system, including buses, trains, trams, and bicycles. However, it does not have an underground train system. The average monthly cost of a public transport pass ranges from £60 to £100, depending on how frequently you travel. The average cost of boarding a bus in the city is approximately £6. If you own a car, you should factor in expenses such as fuel costs, insurance, parking fees, and road taxes. On average, you can expect to spend between £150 and £400 per month on transportation with a private car. Parking expenses and local taxes may also apply. Note that Birmingham's public transportation might be less reliable and slower compared to cities with underground train systems like London. Healthcare is another important aspect of the cost of living. In Birmingham, healthcare is provided through a combination of public and private systems, with the National Health Service, NHS, serving as the primary provider. The NHS, a publicly funded healthcare system in the UK, extends to Birmingham and offers comprehensive services, including general practitioners, GPs, specialist consultations, hospital care, emergency services, and mental health support. NHS services are free at the point of delivery for residents, regardless of their immigration status. Patients can access NHS healthcare through GP surgeries, walk-in centres, and hospitals. Notable hospitals in Birmingham include Birmingham Children's Hospital, Queen Elizabeth Hospital Birmingham, and Heartlands Hospital, offering specialised services in areas such as cardiology, oncology, orthopaedics, neurology, and more. In addition to the NHS, private healthcare offers faster access to treatment and specific services not covered by the NHS. Private healthcare can include quicker consultations, specialised treatments, and private hospital rooms. However, private healthcare comes at a cost and usually requires private health insurance or self-payment. The cost of private health insurance varies based on age, medical history, and coverage requirements. Everyday expenses are another index of the cost of living and encompass various aspects of daily life, including groceries, utilities, and leisure activities. For groceries, the average cost for a single person is around £30 to £80 per week, although this can vary based on dietary choices and shopping habits. Discount supermarkets and local markets often offer more affordable options. A family of 4 might spend up to £200 per week on groceries. Utilities, including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage disposal, can vary based on the size of the property, the number of occupants, and individual usage. On average, monthly utility bills for a one-bedroom apartment range from £100 to £150, while a family of 4 might spend up to £300 or more. Dining out in Birmingham is relatively affordable. A meal at a mid-range restaurant costs around £12 to £20 per person, excluding drinks. Entertainment and leisure costs vary depending on personal preferences. Movie tickets typically range from £8 to £12, while gym memberships cost between £20 and £50 per month. Other everyday expenses include internet and communication, personal care, and clothing. Broadband internet packages generally cost between £20 and £50 per month, depending on speed and data allowances. Mobile phone plans range from £10 to £30 per month, depending on data, minutes, and texts. Clothing and personal care costs are relatively low, with clothes available at affordable prices. Education costs in Birmingham are standard and affordable, although not as low as in some other cities. Public schools in Birmingham are government-funded and do not charge tuition fees. However, private schools, including international and boarding schools, have varying fee structures, with tuition ranging from £5,000 to £20,000 per year, depending on the level of education and the school's reputation. University education costs in Birmingham vary based on factors such as the university, degree program, and whether you are an international or domestic student. For English and Welsh students, the maximum annual tuition fee is approximately £9,000 per year, though this can be higher for international students. Moving to Birmingham offers better opportunities and a lower cost of living compared to other UK cities. Based on what you've heard, do you think Birmingham's cost of living is cheaper than your current location? Share your thoughts and comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.